Does breastfeeding make your boobs saggy after you've stopped breastfeeding? So when we talk about breasts and the size of them, that's all down to genetics. Throughout your entire life, it's a genetic thing as to how big your breasts will grow, as well as weight gain as well. So those two things actually suggest whether or not your breasts will enlarge or will stay the same and become flat, for example. Now, we tend to think about sagging more than anything because that's the skin. And when women get pregnant, what happens is actually their breasts grow in size for the majority of women. That's due to the hormones that happen, increasing the breast size throughout pregnancy. So we have several studies that actually show the links between what can actually increase sagging of the breasts and what doesn't. The studies between women who choose to breastfeed and the women who do not breastfeed show that there is no difference in breast sagging whatsoever between the two groups. So breastfeeding does not make your breast saggy at all. However, what does make your breast more saggy include having a higher BMI, greater number of pregnancies. So the more pregnancies a woman has, the more chance of her breast sagging after each pregnancy. Also having a larger pre-pregnancy bra size, so women who are big-chested in the first place are also more likely to experience breast sagging, and smoking is an impact on breast sagginess because of the impact that it has on your body. And there's also been another study comparing women who breastfeed and women who do not breastfeed on women who've already had breast augmentation surgery and then later on down the line after they've been pregnant, whether or not their breasts sag later on. And this study highlights that there is no difference between women who choose to breastfeed and women who do not breastfeed and the breast sagging. And this table highlights that actually the differences between the two groups, the control group who did not breastfeed, who were just pregnant, compared to the study group who were pregnant and breastfed. These are the women who had breast augmentation before becoming pregnant. There was zero difference in the breast sagging afterwards, highlighting that breastfeeding does not make your breast saggy, but all of the other factors that I've discussed do have an impact, and age certainly plays a huge part along with genetics as well from other research and data that we've got available. So